Hey, good morning. It's Keith from Faith and Fishing. We're doing a quick video here just to show you quick steps on purchasing a used boat from a third party. We got a bass boat, super easy. There's two steps basically. You got to register the trail through Arizona Department of Motor Vehicles, and then you got to register the boat through Arizona Game and Fish. So below will be all the links for the paperwork and the forms. It's really pretty simple, but you do need to make sure for Arizona Game and Fish that you have a bill of sale and that both are signed. Otherwise, they're going to kick you back and you're going to have to get that signed. The forms themselves are fairly easy and self-explanatory, but I'll link all that below. I hope that helps you guys. It is pretty simple and it doesn't take too long. So the drives out there kind of depending where you live, but other than that, so I hope this does help you guys. God bless. Take care.